Just wait till you tune into that on a regular basis. Wait until you discover what non-resisted thought will bring to you. This is the energy that creates worlds. This is the focus that puts all things that you deem wonderful about your time and place. This is what has allowed that to become. And so when you become a vibrational match to that part of you, that furthest extended part of you, that most evolved part of you, when you are a match to that, which means you're not doubting it or countering it with contradictory thoughts, you're aligned with it because you've practiced yourself into alignment. You've withstood all of the harassment from humans who can't see what you can see. And so they doubt you knowing that it's there. But you know that it's there because you've practiced the feeling of being in alignment with it. You feel the resonance of it. You're in on the becoming of it. You're getting to witness the incremental unfolding of it.